Pest control efforts by the Department of Conservation seem to be playing a key role in the rejuvenation of one of our rarest native birds. A quarter of New Zealand's Mohua population live in the Catlins, south of Dunedin. Max Banya travelled there to see the conservation work for himself.
A call as striking as its bright yellow plumage.
It's a lovely bird because it sings really well, it comes down really close, it lives in a family group and it's on the $100 note.
Once common throughout the South Island, the Mohua has been hit hard by introduced predators. Its main stronghold now in the Catlins, where dockers turn to 1080 drops to turn the tide. It's
one we can apply over a large area of forest, and to get on top of the rats, you can't do a small area because they multiply so quickly, they'll re-invade a small area. And that's really the only poison we're allowed to use in that way at present.
Today at Nest 302, the team's using a technique known as mist netting to lure the birds into a specifically designed net.
So what I'm doing here is I'm getting the feet free first.
Then tagging them to keep tabs on the population, which has been rising since 2009.
There we go, there we go. And we were able to stop the rats in their tracks for long enough that the Mohua had a successful breeding season that year.
Over at Nest 313, there's no sign of life and only one way to check what's happened.
Even 16 metres above the ground, the birds are vulnerable to tree-climbing rats. Graham suspects this nest has successfully fledged, but he's just checking to make sure it hasn't fallen victim to any predators.
It's good news.
The signs that are consistent with the birds having fledged.
And the future now looks bright for these Mohua, with relocation programs underway to help future-proof the species. With fewer than 10,000 left, a bird in the hand is worth a fortune in our forests. Max Banya, One News.